Jimmy, please say you wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. 7 of my kisses just for you. Solid love forever true.
Johnny was the girl who lived next door. I've known her, I guess, 10 years or more. Johnny wrote me a note one day, and this is what she had to say.
Jimmy, please say you wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. 7 of my kisses just for you. Solid love forever true.
Slowly I still know once more. Then I went over to the house next door. Their teardrops feel like rain that day. When I told John what I had to say. Johnny, Johnny, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. You're just 15, I'm 22. And Johnny, I just can't live for you. Son, I left a little hometown, got me a job and tried to settle down, but these words keep haunting my memory. The words that Johnny said to me.
Jimmy, please say you wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. 7 of my kisses just for you. Solid love forever true.
I packed my clothes and I took a plane. I had to say June, I had to explain how my heart was filled with her memory, and asked my Johnny if she'd marry me. I ran all the way to the house next door, but things weren't like they were before. My teardrops fell like rain that day, when I heard what Johnny had to say.
Jimmy, Jimmy, please don't cry. You forget me by and by. It's been 5 years that you've been gone. tomorrow, your best friend John. Yung Jimmy, dili gayud ko mo dawat alang gugmamo, kaya ko bata og luming pa, apan ikaw nagbungis na.
Inday Johnny pamatira, bisan tood ako si tentana, apan bata ang ipangandoy ko. Samap ka nimong 15 anyos pa.
Eugenie, ang gusto ko kanang lalaking bata o bago, dili sa magkanino nangupaw na, kunyari umahon nagsumpot pa.
Inday Johnny daginota, ining idalit kung dakong gugma, tanang gusto mo ihatag ko. Igugma kang intaw ako. Ang imong tatay o nanay, ina silang dili yun magmaay, kaya ako niyang regalo. Apuran ko sila og auto. Usa Johnny, sige na, ayaw na ayaw, dugay-dugaya, mintras tanto nga init-init pa. Johnny in taon, aloy, anak.
Eugenie, ay kawang lang, sa gugma mo ako kihilasan, naidinay dagang nga byuda, pamilibasin pa dawaton ta.
Sa byuda, wako'y gana, kay ikaw ra, Johnny ang personada. Iantos yun nga, ulat-ulaton ka, hangtod karong dalaga ka na. Busa Johnny, sige na, ayaw na o dugay-dugaya, mintras tanto nga init-init pa. Intaon Johnny, aloy anak.
Eugenie, ang maayo, aron di ka maagrabyado, isipan lang ako imong apo, kay taon ta sa